What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a treat for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing Stitch Fix. If you guys haven't heard of Stitch Fix, it's basically like you put all your information into this app or on their website, and then a stylist handpicks 5 different items for you. It can either be like shoes, jewelry, skirts, dresses, pants, tops, pretty much anything. So you just go in to Stitch Fix. I just did it on the app they have, and you just make an account, and then it starts just asking you questions about like who you are and what your style is. So it asked me how tall I was, how much do I weigh, what sizes do I typically wear in each individual category. So it wasn't like they were just saying, oh, so you're just a small, so you're a small in everything. No, they ask you exactly like if you're a small in a dress or a shirt, what your bra size is, skirt size, shoe size, if you're pregnant, interested in maternity clothes. So basically it gets down to nitty-gritty details about yourself. And then it has like a portion of it called what do you think of the styles below. And basically it shows you different kinds of styles, and then you rate whether you hate it, if it's just okay, like it, or love it. So they kind of get an idea of what your style is. They also ask you to attach your social medias to it, like Pinterest or anything like that, or Instagram, just so they can see what your style is just through your social medias. Then you just save all the changes, and then at the end there's like a portion where it says final thoughts. So I actually have done this once before. I didn't film it though, because this was before I started my YouTube channel, and when I got it I was kind of disappointed. In all honesty, I got a bunch of old lady clothes. I am 20 years old, and they were putting bright pink blouses and things that it would be like wearing to the office when I'm 40 years old. Like, it was just like nothing near my style choices, nothing near what I had on my Pinterest post, and it was like super disappointing. So I'm deciding to give this another try. And in that final thoughts thing, where it's just like anything else that you want your stylist to know, with this time I put, I am 20 years old. Please do not give me old lady clothes. I want things that represents how young I am and the styles and trends that you see on models, not something to wear to work. I put I emphasize that I do not want business casual clothes, because that's basically what I got in my Stitch Fix last time. So I'm hoping they listen. With signing up for Stitch Fix, you have a $20 fee, and it's a styling fee. So basically, if you end up not liking anything in the box, they really didn't lose out, because you still paid for that stylist to do it. So, but you don't have to keep everything in the box. The thing is you can end up sending back clothes that you didn't like and keeping anything you do like. And if you keep anything, then that $20 styling fee goes to anything you keep in the box. And it's really nice because they even put like a own bag that you can send the stuff back into, so it's not like you're paying to send it back. Like, they provided the stamp and everything for that. So here we go. Oh my gosh, they sent me shoes.
Oh my god, shoes.
Last time I was really disappointed because they didn't send me shoes. Oh my god. What even? Like, this is not even cute. What even? No. Definitely not. That's definitely old lady. Nope. That's going back. Did not like that. Oh no. This is interesting. It's like velvet. What? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's basically like a spaghetti strap top. I'll try on all these after I unbox it all and show you guys what it looks like on. Okay. Got an interesting skirt. Not sure how I feel about that quite yet. We'll see how that one looks on. Oh, that could be interesting. You guys see? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a little cut in the sleeves, and then there's buttons on the front. It's really soft. That could be interesting. What? Is this a kimono? It is! Ooh, this is actually kind of really cute. Okay, this is actually turning out a lot better than my last one. I mean, except for those shoes, man. Those shoes are not... I don't even know what they were thinking. Okay. Now, so with Stitch Fix, they also ask you, like during that styling quiz, what do you usually pay for certain items? So like for dresses, like how much on average do you spend on a dress, on pants, shoes, and etc. And so for the most part, I'm a college student. I go to Forever 21 where my shirts are like $7. So I pretty much on all of them put like cheapest possible. And then I think on pants I put like 50 to 100 because I get my pants from American Eagle and those are usually like 50 bucks. So, holy crap. You know how much those ugly shoes were? $99. Okay, so this skirt ended up being $58. This velvet cami, $68. $68 for this? Man, I'm sorry, I must be a cheapskate when it comes to clothes. This Henley is $54. So, and then this is actually the cheapest thing on here, which so far I think this is the cutest thing I got in the box, so score for that. This is $34, this kimono. So if you end up buying everything that they put in the box, so all 5 items, they end up discounting it 25% of the total thing. So we're gonna try these things on and see honestly how cute they were. So when I put these on, these are actually really, really comfortable heels. Like at first when I saw the $99, I was like, $99 for these shoes? That's insane. But just walking around in these, like they have some sort of like comfort in them. I really can't explain it, but these are probably one of the most comfiest heels that I have put on, which is really sad. If these were, honestly, even just without the little rectangle brooches on them, I think these would be cute. I really like the red, the shade of red that they chose out. Not a fan of the pointed toes. I mean, I'm trying to expand my fashion and try the pointed toes, but on these, honestly, just looking at them in this video, I just feel like Dorothy from Wizard of Oz. If these were just not this shape and didn't have this brooch, let's say if they were like a rounded toe and then they took out the brooch, I would keep these. Like for how comfortable they are, I would say $99 is definitely worth it, because how they make a heel comfortable, I don't know, but I'm sure that's why they're $99. Here is the skirt. I really like the fit and the style. However, I don't really like this pattern of it. I mean, if this was another, maybe without the red, like if it was just like the black and white stripes, as you guys can see, if it's just the black and white, I'd probably really like this. I just don't like this weird design, but they did a good job. Like I think this, like I said, I would definitely keep this if it just didn't have the red design on it, but this is actually a really cute skirt. This is what the blue velvet cami looks like, and I'm not a fan. Like I really like the color and I really like the design, but I have to hike this up like pretty tall in order for it to actually like cover my bra. So I don't want to be hiking that up all day, so that's kind of disappointing. I really do like the color though, so they did good on that. I just don't like the style of this that great, so not horrible, but not something I'd buy. This is the Henley. It's like a greenish color. How do they describe this? They don't really tell me color on it. Oh, it's black. Guys, fair warning, I'm colorblind. So any future videos besides this, colors are hard. I'm feeling this shirt though. This is really cute. I like that cutoff. It's really, really soft. It's got this cute little neckline, but I'm really, really liking this. This is $54, and with how soft this is in this style, I'd probably pay $54 for this. This is probably something you'd see at like Nordstrom or something that would cost just as much, but then you get a stylist that picks it out for you, but I'm really feeling this. All right, so this is the kimono that I originally thought was like super, super cute, and I still think that I would definitely wear this. This is like a spring kind of like nice summer where it's nice outside. I really like the floral pattern. I like how it has a cut here, so it's not form-fitting. It's a kimono, so this is really cute. Like, I would wear this and yeah, and this one's the one that's $34. That seems kind of reasonable to me. I know kimonos in a sense are pretty pricey anyway, so $34 actually doesn't seem too bad. So I filmed this video about a week and a half ago, and I started editing it today, and I realized that I had no outro. I never finished, I guess, completely filming, so now I'm gonna do the outro. So overall, Stitch Fix, I mean, they did a pretty okay job, but for a college student like me, I would probably only give them 3 stars, and that's basically because what they chose was really not necessarily my style, but I could totally see as like maybe an older middle-aged woman who could definitely more afford these styles would definitely like Stitch Fix a lot more than someone like me or even my friend Bree Cranfill, who also did this, so check out her link below. But yeah, only 3 stars. I mean, I will try to do Stitch Fix again just because they say as like you keep going, it gets better because they get more of an idea of what you really want. But then at the same time, I'm like, those prices, I mean, yeah, you get what you pay for, but they were kind of really expensive, at least for someone like me. But thank you guys for watching, and tune in Wednesday for a new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. Bye!